Hi everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my travel kit that I'm bringing with me when I travel this summer. Now before we get into it, feel free to share your tips and recommendations down below. And if you have not done so already, I do welcome you to join my channel by clicking that subscribe button. Now without further ado, let's do my travel kit. So I recently got this makeup case from Avon by being a top seller in makeup. I am just so excited to use it with my next trip. Now, before I would have to use multiple makeup bags just to bring everything. And now with this travel kit or makeup case, I'm going to be able to fit everything I want right in here. So I'm going to go through each of the products that I'm going to be bringing quickly. So if you do miss something, I will have everything listed below in the order that I show them. So first off, body care and skincare. When I travel, I bring the basics. I try to keep it easy and just bring products that are just going to help maintain my normal body care, skincare routine. I really love using these Belif travel kits. They are perfect no matter where you're going. They have everything you're going to need for a full skincare routine, morning and night. I don't know what it is, but when I travel, no matter where I'm going, my skin gets dry. So I just love using these kits to help maintain my skin's hydration. This kit consists of 5 products. Their Jelly Cleanser, the Aqua Balm Eye Cream, the Aqua Balm and Moisturizing Balm Moisturizers, and then you can finish it off with the Aqua Balm Sleeping Mask. Now onto my makeup. So when I travel, I tend to do a more natural makeup look, but I will bring a more higher coverage foundation and eyeshadow palettes for times that we go out. The makeup I bring are products that are lightweight, reliable, and easy to work with. So for my makeup brushes, I bring the bare minimum. I will have a brush for my bronzer, blush, and highlighter, and that's what I'll use pretty much for the whole time. For my eyeshadow brushes, I will bring a couple different size blending brushes, a couple crease brushes in different sizes, and then a flat brush to apply color on the lid, as well as another one to carve out my brows with the concealer. Now let's get into the makeup that I bring with me, and I'm going to start off with this top layer here. There is one full-size eyeshadow palette that I bring with me everywhere in the summer, and that is Zoeva's Basic Moment palette. It's easy to work with, shades are beautiful, I can use it for a natural everyday look to a more glam look. I love this palette, even with the holes my son put in each of the shades. Now I'm going to move down to the bottom part, and I'm going to go left to right, bottom to top row, just so you know. A must when you are limited on brushes is this Ulta Beauty New Hue Switching Pan. I can easily clean off a brush and have it ready to go for next time without worrying shades getting mixed up. Now, onto my palettes. I always bring my Urban Decay face palette because it has everything I need. Bronzer, blush, and highlighter, which goes perfectly with my skin tone. As for eyeshadows, I always have a neutral and I always bring colorful for fun time and fun looks. my travel kit. I would love to hear your thoughts down below, and if you enjoyed today's video, you can let me know by clicking that like button. As always, if you have not done so already, I welcome you to join us here on my channel by clicking that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to check out more of my videos that you see here on the screen. If not, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Until next time. Bye!